It's 6 p.m. Welcome to the class. We will start. Let's start with warm up. Keep the hands at the abdomen area. Keep little distance between two legs. We will do neck exercise. Exhaling. Take head down, chin touching the throat. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Head touching the backbone. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling down. Inhaling back. Come to center. We will rotate the head clockwise and anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling, turn towards right. Right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Slowly take it back. Head touching the backbone. Exhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Throughout the rotation, make sure jaw is completely closed. You are rotating at extreme stretch. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Now we will rotate the shoulders. Keep both the legs together. Only shoulder ball movement forward. Make a bigger circle. Only shoulder should move. And then reverse. Keep both the hands straight forward. Exhaling, bring the elbows towards the body and lock the elbows. Do it 3-4 times. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows at the front. Now, alternatively, take the hands up and down from the front. Only hand should move and stretch from both the sides. Relax. Keep hands together along with the body. Inhaling, stretch yourself up without lifting the heels or the toes. Exhaling, bend towards your left, only towards left. Slowly come back. Again inhale. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Lift the chin a little up Inhaling, slowly come back. Keep little distance between two legs, more than shoulder width. We will do Konasana. Take right hand up from the sideways. Join the shoulder at the ear, right ear. Inhaling, stretch both the hands in opposite direction. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Left hand slowly goes down. Right hand come parallel to the floor. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Again, stretch both the hands in opposite direction. Take the right hand from sideways, keeping the stretch as is. Now take the left hand up. Inhale, stretch both the hands in opposite direction. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Bend as much as possible up to your capacity, but make sure you are bending only to the right. If you lift chin a little up, you will straighten your body. Inhaling, slowly come up. Again, stretch both the hands in opposite direction. Keeping stretch as is, bring the left hand from sideways. Keeping the legs over there, turn towards your left leg. And maintain the distance as per your capacity. We are going to bend down. Inhaling, take both the hands up, join the palms at the top. Stretch the hands up. Exhaling, slowly bend the knees. Left leg in 90 degrees. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Try to stay there for some time. Once you get the balance, inhaling, bend back. Close your eyes. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Bring the hands from sideways. Now slowly turn towards your right leg. Keep the same distance between two legs. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Join the palms at the top. Stretch the hands up. Exhaling, bend the knees down. Right leg 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Stay there for some time. After you get the balance, inhaling, bend back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, lift yourself up. Normalize the hands from the sideways. Relax. Both the legs together. Keep hands on the knees. Bend the knees forward as much as possible. Take them back straight. Do it 3-4 times. Now rotate clockwise 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times. Bend maximum when they come forward and straighten them when they go back. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Sit on the asana. Keep legs straight. Hands on the knees. Once you relax, fold the right leg, place the heel on the left knee, catch hold of the right knee, bring it close to the chest, send it back to the floor. Do it 3 more times. Now catch hold of the ankle with left hand, knee with right hand, move it horizontal, maximum towards right, left leg straight and stretched. All these exercises will help to sit in Padmasana. Now hold the toe with left hand, move the leg in vertical, bring it close and send it forward straight. Now try to bring right toe towards left ear without bending. Up to your capacity. Slowly take it back. Normalize the leg. We'll do all this with the left leg. Fold the left leg. Place the heel on the right knee. Catch hold of the left knee with both the hands. Bring it close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. And right leg straight and stretched. Now hold the ankle with right hand, knee with left hand, move it horizontal, stretch maximum towards left. Holding the toe with right hand, move it vertical, bring the leg close to you and then send it forward straight. Now holding the toe, bring the toe very close to the right ear without bending. Slowly take it back. Normalize the legs. Now we will sit in Padmasana. Hold the right leg. Place the heel on the right side of the navel. Take the left leg, place it on top of the right leg. Heels very close to each other. Knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Index finger and thumb gently touching each other. Remaining 3 fingers looking down. Wrist on the knees. Elbows very close to the body. Eyes gently closed. We will normalize the breathing. Exhale. Completely exhale. Pull the navel deep inside. Place the root of the navel on the backbone. Apply Mulban. Pulling the perineal muscles is Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the grim. Again apply Mulban. Release and repeat 2 more times. Exhale slowly but completely. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Place the root of the navel at the backbone. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Release and repeat 1 more time. Relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Asvatasana. Legs together, hands along with the body. Normalize your breath. Take the right leg back, also the right hand. Right toe in standing position. Now inhaling, take the left hand up, join the shoulder at the left ear. Now inhaling, lift the right leg up above the floor as per your capacity. Right hand parallel to the floor. Straighten the body, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra. Exhaling, normalize the legs and hand from sideways. Now we'll do it with left leg. Take the left leg back, also the left hand. Inhaling, take the right hand up, palm looking forward. Inhaling, lift the left leg up. Make sure knee is straight and left hand parallel to the floor. Straighten the body and look up. Exhaling, slowly normalize the leg and hand from sideways. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart in V shape. Hands along with the body. First come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Place the root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the Sun God. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Shoulders very close to the ears. Inhaling, bend back at the cervical. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Vishuddhi Chakra will get activated. Exhaling, shoulders along with the ears, slowly bend forward. Those who have severe backache, don't bend forward. Completely bend forward, knees straight. Try to see if fingers are touching the floor. If you are able to touch the fingers on the floor, completely exhale, place the entire palm on the floor. Forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel on the backbone. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back, look up. Left leg 90 degrees between two hands. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. The sciatica problem will go away. Sahasrara chakra will get activated at the crown of the head. Inhaling, slowly bring the body parallel to the floor. Knees straight, elbows straight. Entire weight on the palms. First knees down on the floor. Chest between two hands on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Lower back should not touch the floor. Lift lower abdomen a little. Palms very close to the chest. Elbows looking up. Anahata chakra will get activated behind the heart on the backbone. Pushing body forward. Open up your arms. Straighten the elbows. From navel. Bend back. Knees should be on the floor. Toes in standing position. Concentration at tip of the backbone. Mooladhara chakra will get activated. Even if you have a backache, you can bend maximum to back so that the back pain will go away. Exhaling, lift yourself up and go back. Try to place the heels on the floor. Chin at the throat cavity. Push back yourself so that the heels will touch the floor. The Sahasrara chakra will get activated. Thyroid and parathyroid glands also will get activated. Inhaling, take the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left leg straight. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. The insulin production will be normal so that the diabetic problem will not happen. Exhaling, take the left leg forward, join both the legs. Straighten the knees. Bend forward and place the palms on the floor beside the feet. Forehead towards the knees. Manipur chakra will get activated. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical. Vishuddhi chakra will get activated. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back. Relax. Normalize your breath. All 7 chakras got activated. Relax the entire body and recollect. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Hands towards the head on the floor. Now inhaling, stretch hands and toes in opposite direction. As if two people are pulling you in opposite direction. Stretch maximum and normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. Stretch a little more and stay there. Relax. Hands over there, just relax elbows and toes. Normalize your breath. We will do Navasana. Legs together, toes in stretching position. Hands also in stretching position. First, inhaling, take the legs towards the hands. Exhaling, bend forward and hands should surpass the toes. Gently roll on your backbone. But make sure shoulders always coming along with the ears. Forehead going towards the knees. Even if you cannot touch the toes on the floor, that's fine, but make sure hands are coming along with the ears. Relax in sitting position. Come to Vajrasana, keeping both the hands towards right. Fold the legs towards left. Toes together, heels apart, sit in between. Just relax in Vajrasana for a few seconds. We will do Ustrasana. Stand up on the knees. Distance between two knees should be equal to the shoulder width. Also the toes at the same distance. First take both the hands back, join both the thumbs. Gently press the spine at the tip of the backbone or a little above the tip. Remaining 4 fingers at the abdomen area, looking forward. Hold it gently, press with thumbs. Until you complete this asana, make sure you close your eyes. Inhaling, bend back from the navel, maximum to the back, up to your capacity. If you are comfortable, then release the hands, place it on the sole, not on the heels. Again, straighten the central part of the body. From knee to thigh joint, it should be straight. In exhaling, slowly come back, but don't open your eyes. Come to Vajrasana and then relax. Ustrasana is Rambhan for back pain. We will do counter asana, Shashakasana. We will do different variation today. Keep more than shoulder width between two knees, but toes together. You're sitting on the heels or in between two heels. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Stretch yourself up. Exhaling, slowly bend forward, but make sure heels are touching the hips. Hips are not lifted. First, place the palms on the floor, forehead on the floor, elbows on the floor, but make sure hips are touching the heels. Relax. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up, straighten the elbows, slowly lift yourself up, bring the hands from sideways and hands on the knees. Now, place both the palms in between two knees in front of you. Exhaling, slowly take the hands forward, away from you, as if they are walking. Both the hands. Take it maximum and bend forward. Make sure hips are on the heels. Once you bend maximum, slowly bend elbows, place the elbows on the floor. Now place the forehead on the floor. Relax. Inhaling. Now with palms walk back. Straighten the elbows. Slowly take the palms back to the previous position. Normalize. Knees together. Lie down on the abdomen. Sithilasana right side. Vishrant. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung gloves on the floor. Relax. Come on to the abdomen. You will do Naukasana. Hands towards the head on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Legs together. Normalize your breath. Now inhaling, lift the legs and the trunk, head and hands up. Make sure only abdomen area is on the floor. Now roll on the abdomen. When legs goes up, hands should come down. When hands goes up, legs should come down. Slowly relax on the Sithilasana left side. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Sithilasana left side, normalize low blood pressure. Bring the right hand straight under the head. Turn back. Come on to the backbone. will do Padottanasana. Hands towards the head on the floor. First listen to me. So throughout this asana, make sure in the first stage we will lift the legs to 1 to 2 inches above the floor, and throughout the asana they should be above the asana. They should not touch the floor. Initially, if you cannot hold it, just take a few seconds to relax and then come back. Lift both the legs a little above the floor, keeping legs over there. Lift right leg, left hand up parallel to each other, 90 degrees. Toe in stretching position. Stay there for some time. Exhaling, slowly take it back, but make sure legs are above the floor. They're not touching the floor. Again, inhale, take the left leg and right hand up into 90 degrees parallel to each other. Exhaling, slowly take it back, but make sure legs are above the floor. Now lift both the legs and hands up to 90 degrees. Stretch both the legs and the hands straight. Stay there. Exhaling, slowly take it back. Relax in Savasana. Little distance between two legs. Toes towards the floor. Hands along with the body. Fingers loose but straight. Palm looking up. Now scan the relaxed body with your mental eye. Scan each and every part of the body. Turning from right, come to sitting position. We will do Singhasan. Those who can sit in Padmasan, sit in Padmasan. Those who cannot sit in Padmasan, I will show you what to do. Those who can sit in Padmasan, after you sitting in Padmasan, lift yourself on the knees and both the hands, both the palms on the floor, fingers looking towards you. Join both the wrists. Take both the hands away from you as if the lion pose, right? So lower back down. Come to this position. Those who cannot sit in Padmasan, they can just cross the legs. Just cross the legs like this. But remaining position is same. So those who can sit in Padmasan, sitting in Padmasan, lower back down, head little up, looking straight. Take the tongue out as if lion is roaring. Make a sound, roar, keeping the tongue out. Repeat at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Slowly come back. Massage your throat with both the hands. Any infection at the throat will go away. The melodious voice will develop. We will go for Hasi. You can unmute yourself. We will do different variation in Hasi today. Close your lips and try to laugh internally. Like a smile without making sound. Now we will laugh aloud, the regular one. Inhaling wholeheartedly. Relax. We should laugh together, laugh along with others. We should not laugh at others. Relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will do pranayama. We'll start with Plavani. Keep both the hands on the knees. Chin Mudra. Even in Chin Mudra, make sure thumb and index finger are touching each other. Now, with mouth, inhale in installments, similar to swallowing the water, as if you are swallowing. Swallow the air from the through mouth. Once you completely inhale, close the lips, let the air circulate inside, apply Molband, release Bandhas, and bend forward and exhale completely in a split second. Let's start. Once you are done, relax. We will do Bhastrika. Since the temperature was a little down yesterday and going to rain tonight, let's clean up our respiratory system, the nostrils. That's why today we did Plavani and Singhasan, so that the throat also will get clean up. Keep the left hand on the knees, Chin Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Hold first two fingers, place it at the root of the thumb, remaining 2 fingers straight. Close the right nostril with thumb, left nostril with ring finger. Now tap the left nostril with ring finger, open the right nostril. Inhale deep and exhale completely, at least 15 times. Deep inhalation and complete exhalation should happen. After completing 15 times, inhale deep from right nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Tribat, hold for some time, release Bandhas, exhale from left nostril, again apply Tribat, half of the time to internal Kumbha and release, relax. Let's start with right nostril. Now inhale deep from right nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Tribat, first Molban, then Udiyan Ban and Jalandhar Ban. Release Bandhas, exhale from left nostril, hold breath outside, again apply Tribat. Release. This is first round. In second round, close the right nostril with thumb. Start inhaling and exhaling from left nostril, same number of times. Once you are done, then inhale from left nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Triban, exhale from right nostril, again apply Triban. Let's start. Now inhale from left nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Tribat. Release Bandhas, exhale from right nostril, again apply Tribat. Release, relax. This is second round. In third round, we will inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril, inhale from left nostril and exhale from right nostril. So same number of times. Once we are done, then inhale from right nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Triban. Release Bandhas, exhale from left nostril, hold the breath outside, again apply Triban. Release, and then inhale from left nostril, hold the breath inside, apply Triban. Release and then exhale from right, again apply Triban and then relax. Let's start from right nostril. Inhale from right nostril, hold breath inside and apply Triban. release bandhas, exhale from left nostril, apply Triban. Release bandhas and inhale from left nostril. Hold breath inside and again apply Triban. Release bandhas and exhale from right nostril, apply Triban. Release and then place both the hands on the knees. Relax. Now you will not feel either inhaling or exhaling, but breathing will happen. This is Kaivalya Kumbha. Place both the hands on the knees, Chin Mudra. Firmly folding the knees. Now exhale, inhale and exhale from both the nostrils, same number of times. In the final stage, inhale completely, deep inhalation, hold the breath inside, apply Triban. Release bandhas, exhale completely, again apply Triban and then relax. Now inhale deep from both the nostrils. Hold breath inside, apply Triban. Release bandhas. Exhale completely. Again apply Triban. Now release bandhas and relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will do meditation. Relax yourself. Just listen to the instructions. Chant Om internally for 10 times. After that, start focusing on the breathing pattern. When you are inhaling, see the breath is completely inhale. See the breath is going deep from the spinal cord. It will start from the Mooladhara chakra, tip of the backbone. It will start filling from there. It will start touching each chakra from Mooladhara to Sahasrara chakra. When you are exhaling, it will start from Sahasrara chakra to Mooladhara chakra. Just observe the breathing, inhalation and exhalation which is going through the spinal cord. Only focus on the breathing. Start with chanting Om internally first and then focus on the breath. Slowly move your concentration to breathing pattern at the tip of your nose. Slowly travel along with the inhalation and exhalation. Slowly observe move your concentration to the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe as a spectator. Relax. We will chant Om and then Mrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just enjoy the blissful atmosphere. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Let's normalize the blood circulation. Stretch the toes forward and back. Right and left. Clockwise 2-3 times. And anti-clockwise 2-3 times. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.